you that? Okay. I was kind of thinking we can set you new etudes and possibly think about the next piece after that concerto, because you won't need it that much longer, I think, right?
Yeah.
And then are we just having lessons next week? What do you go the weekend after that?
The weekend?
When are you leaving?
For what?
Oh, yeah.
You go on a trip, so I'm just trying to figure out if we'll have a lesson.
When will you leave?
Oh, I won't.
Oh, to December? Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna be here. I mean,
Yeah.
we'll take a week off after the 22nd.
So maybe next weekend. Let me send an email back.
Okay, that's fine. That's
My hand
fine.
is right now. It's
Yeah, no problem.
it's easy.
I just I just know he had to miss the recital, so I thought whether it's two or three lessons. Okay, so yeah, you can do like that. Okay, this is not hard. Let's see. Okay, let me try that. Yeah, you want to be on 2. Oh, it's a whole step. That's still maybe like this. G flat, G flat. Yeah, this is kind of awkward key. So it's.
What key is this?
On D flat.
Okay.
Yeah. Probably coming back like you did before. D 4 4 3 2. Let's see. Right. Do you want to do all this? Okay. So it'd be 4 4 3 2. Okay. Do you think this slur is meant to be across these, or just those 2 notes? Yeah, maybe. Okay. Those fingers are a whole step each time. 2, 1 is a whole step. Dee da da dum. Okay, this looks like third position. Dee da dum bum ba da dum bum. Oh, maybe 1. Let's see. It's awkward. Should we try that one?
Why don't we shift here? Like,
Because you could just be in third.
yeah.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Mm.
Yeah. That's fine. Da, da, da. Right there on the slur.
Yeah.
Or what about 1, 2, 2, 2? Shift to 2 there. Oops, but it's only a half step though.
Yeah.
I think that would be better than shifting on the slur, right? And then you're in third. Okay. Yeah, and then you can go on in third. So that is better. So you're on 3. I suppose this is. Well, you'll get bowings, or is this all you're going to get?
And this is what was told you should print, so.
I kind of think the dots are going to be separated. I think it's going to be like that. Okay, this is going to be similar. In fact, it's the same finger pattern, just over a string. Okay. I see a whole step. That's it. A half step. Oh, it is G natural. Okay. Okay, I think that's all right. Have you started in third? Good. Okay, then you want 2 again. And then the same notes again. Okay, and then probably like 3. Okay. That sounds a little flat. Probably just keep starting on D. And now whole step. There's a half step between. Right, and then 2. Okay. I don't even remember how long this is. It's been a long time since I've seen this piece.
It's so long. It's like 10 minutes.
Wow. Okay. It's not as bad as 1812 Overture, though, I don't think, in terms of the actual notes. Oh, it comes down. It comes down. Sorry. Oops, okay. Oh yeah, this is a whole step because it's G natural. Okay. So 2, 2, bum. I think you can go to E string. Oh yeah. It's just getting a comfortable pattern. Mm-hmm. The A flat. Or maybe, yeah, shift after 4. Well, let me see, how high is it going? Okay. And then probably looks like 2 on this one. So if you don't like 4, yeah, you can go up to 2. 4 is not good. It's hard for you to get them close, isn't it? Okay. So how about 3 and 2? That's better. I think that's better. Okay. So let's see. You were here. Da-da-dum, dun, da-da-dum. And then it's just a half step. 3. Yeah. I think that'll be all right.
Why were the excerpts like not hard?
They were hard. This is actually much easier. Right now you're going, oh, these notes are really high.
I mean, like in the excerpts there's nothing with ledger lines.
Well, okay, this is a different challenge, but once you get these learned, it's not that hard, and it's kind of one dynamic. I mean, this is much easier to do well with a section. Dun, 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 dun. Everybody will be fine with that. But trust me, this is going to be much easier. You worked on those for months, remember? This is just hard to read. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I could sight read them somewhat.
Right. But the musicality, the dynamics, and the strokes and everything were hard. All right, let's see. This is the same thing. You want to be on a 2 here, a 3, and then slide half step 3. Oh, but except you have to get back. Shoot. You can still do it. You can just reach back a little bit. Da-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum. So let's try. Tell me where you want to start. I mean, I wanted to make sure we can get this together, but
Here.
okay. 1. Oh, sorry, it's C natural. Sorry, it's D flat. Yeah. And then it's G. Oh, it's higher than that. Let's see. We could practice it down an octave. This is a good practice strategy. is a tritone. Right, now let's try it up. On the next end. Okay, so the outer interval, this is a tritone. This is a perfect fourth coming down. This is a major, diminished fourth or major third, however you think of it. We do that from the high part one more time. B flat. And then tritone. Perfect fourth. I'm trying to think if there's a good way. Yeah, you could stay on this one. You could do a 4. You could do 3, 4, 2, 4. Okay, this is a place where you might want to cross over. And then right here, shift up 1 so you can get. Ta-da-da. Yeah, you're going to have to go to 2. I want to see this. Can we go? And now can you do 4, 3 or 3, 4, 3, 2? And is that the same notes again, or does yeah?
It's you.
I think it's the same.
Yes.
Okay. So it's either 4 or 3.
I guess it's too big.
But then you have to angle them a little bit. All right, and then you're going to go back. Ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, ba-da-dum. Yeah, so this will be right there. That measure. And then we have to figure out the fingering. I really like to keep these on the E string if possible because it's fortissimo. So maybe 4, 4, yeah. Let's see, when you start though, you'll be on a 2. Let's see. Maybe 3. Maybe we should go to 3 because it's hard to come down. Right? Is that what you did? And then 1, I think. Did you slide here? You could do that, or you could go 2, 2, 1, whichever. Okay, that works. Let's do the transition. We skipped some of it, right? We didn't do this. Should we do this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And straight across, but up a half step because change to 3. Mm-hmm. Okay, I would stay there. 1, 1. Okay, and then probably we got to stay up in a position here. And then, let's see. Oh, it stays up there. Okay, it doesn't go any higher. Okay, this is nothing. Okay.
What's up, hit?
Yeah, so they probably won't listen to that in your chair audition.
Oh, I'm not worried about your auditions.
I don't remember this part. I remember that, but I don't remember this. Okay.
I mean, sure, I'm fine if I get last chair.
Well, you say that, but let's see. 4, 2, dun, 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 dun. I think you can do this in 4th position. It's really not that bad. And then we have to go up. Okay, chords. It's probably going to be divided. I think just inside, outside. And then it's kind of the same. Okay, this is probably 3, 3. Oh. Okay, you can stay there. 1, 4. And then what is that note? E sharp. It's a half step. It's 2 half steps in a row. If that's correct. And then the second one is not the same. Interesting. Okay. That's the easy part, I guess. You might do it all on the G string. But you'll see. Let's say if they ask you that. Okay, this is the same as what we did on the first page. I think these are the same. So maybe you can transfer those over. Right? It's the same notes. I think it's all the same. Okay. Now what about this? No, it's not the same. I don't remember double flats. Yeah?
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm just gonna. I need something.
Okay, no problems. Okay. So it's just the same thing starting on a 2. We got half steps under and right there. And then you drop back. And this looks like it's the same to me as before. But so let's try this. Maybe we did this, did we? Mm-hmm. Well, you're just going up a half step. So just. Mm-hmm. Right. It is natural because of the accidental before. Mm-hmm. Right. I think it's the same. Let's just study that. We already did this. This looks the same.
It is.
Oh, is it? It's not. Oh, it's the same page. No, it's a different page, but it's the same notes. Okay.
Is it? Yeah.
So right here looks different. The 4th line, is that right? Maybe even the 3rd line is different. No, 3rd line looks the same.
Second line's on different.
Well, I think it's the same. It just
Well,
up an octave for the first note. But then the 4th line looks different to me. Oh, it's just written up higher. It's the same, isn't it? It's just the way it's written.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I don't think we have. I just don't want to do stuff we don't have to do.
so what did it change?
I don't know. I don't remember this piece well. If I played this before, it was 40 years ago. I remember. I remember it being on a concert that I played on. I don't really remember doing it.
It's all the same until I.
Okay, it probably is. Okay.
Wait, no, even that's.
And even that's the same. Okay, good. And then this looks different. Da, ya, da, da,
Yeah,
da,
that's
da.
different.
Well, this is a theme we've already done though. On the first page. Where was that? It's the same. Da, da, da. So that makes it easier. You don't have to practice as much. Da, 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 ya, da, 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 ba, da, da, ba, ba, da, ba. This is all the same, I think. This isn't hard. Okay, this looks different. Is it different?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Well, now you've got 2 flats, so
Oh.
E naturals. Okay, so I think you're going to have a bowing like that. Let's see. Maybe it'll be as it comes. It might be as it comes. I was thinking you'd have a lot of ups. Which would be kind of nice, but it depends on how loud it is. So, since they didn't give you any bowings, maybe I won't make you do that yet. Okay, and then, okay, this is a little tricky. So, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Da-da-dum, da-da-da-da. Can you use your 4 and extend it? Can you go 2, 3, 4, 4? Well, you went to 1, but I wondered if you could just go from 2.
Yeah, I can.
Okay. And then shift back. let's see. Da da 2 2 2 2 1. Da da 3 2 1. Da 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 dum da 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 dum. Ooh, this is going to be the hard part. Yeah. Okay, so let's try coming down from E flat here. 2 2 1. Oh, wait a minute. C sharp. Sorry. It's B natural. I'm sorry. I was expecting B flat, but it's B natural. Okay. Right? Let's see. There's probably a better fingering. I think you just go back. I think you stay, you extend 4, but stay in 4th, and then shift back to 3rd and extend there. So 4th, 4th, so, and then B flat. So right here we want to prepare that. Bum, ba-da-da-dum, bum, bum. Can you reach 1/4? Well, I mean from 1, if you were on 1. You can. So maybe 2 here, and then 1, because you probably don't have to play the double stops, and then 1, bum, 4, bum. And then here you probably don't have to shift down. Possibly. I mean, you could do it either way, but I think here you can just go straight across. Da da dee. Let's see. Da da dee da. 2 3 4. Should we try that? So you're here, 5th position. Oops. And then straight across. Right. Yeah. Right. Probably broken. Good. Okay. And is it? Right. You just have to find that. 2 4. Probably these will all be down. That's it? Wow, a whole other page. Okay. Sometimes 2nd position is really better on a lot of B flat chords. So you could do that. Ya da 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 da. see. Yeah, it's hard to see and hear this. Let's see. I think you want to cross here. Yeah, right? Write them in 4, 1, 3. Right, 3, 1, 3. And then probably 4, 1, 4, 1, 3. So we're here. Right. I would stay. Yeah, I see we're going to end up here, so stay on a 3. Yeah, or you could move your 4. And then finally 4. Well, I would stay in that position. Right. And then I think you want to shift right there to. Does that work?
Yeah.
Would there be an easier way? And then you have to go up. Right. Good. More downward chords. I guess we should repeat back somewhere, but we won't worry about that now. And then, yeah, this might be easier in second position. Good, and then 4. Probably. Bing, pom. Da-dee-da-da-dee-da. Okay, I think I got it. So. Yeah, let's try it like that. 4, 4, 3. No. Come down 4, 4. 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 3. 2. Come back a third. Right, I'm going to put in a couple more fingers. Right. It's not too bad after that. Still C sharp. Oh, okay. Fingering wise.
We stay in first, or we go first?
I think we go to first,
Okay.
even right here. Okay, let's get these. doing fine. You're doing fine with that. Four, right. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think it'll be fun. It's actually not that difficult. I mean, for the most part, the parts are not that exposed. There's a lot of loud wind, brass, and percussion. As I recall, the part, whatever you do there, that's like the most exposed part where it's just the strings.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, you want to be comfortable.
Wait, I thought it was orchestra. There's only strings.
No, it's full. It's full orchestra.
Not orchestra, it was just strings.
Except for this, they pull some students. They get some students from the wind, brass, and percussion, and it's a full orchestra, which is great because you hardly ever get to do it.
Okay.
So yeah, that'll make a huge difference.
So
Big brass section, big percussion.
It's all state symphony, basically.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, most high school orchestras in Missouri are string orchestras. You're right. SYS is a full orchestra, and Allstate is full. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to do this? Is there another one too?
Yeah, there's 3.
Okay. I mean, I don't mind. This doesn't look as bad, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Or I can try to copy it and look at it, and we can do it next time. I mean, I'm going to have time to do a concerto. Maybe we should do that. Oh, wow. It's long.
This one's 5 minutes, I think.
Okay. This doesn't look too bad, does it? There's a few high things. How fast is it? Oh, that's slow.
It's Spanish, so.
Oh, 124. I think this will be not hard too. Okay, I'm not sure that I can get to all this, but I think it would be better if I copy these pages, if that's all right.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then I'll work on them a little bit before next time.
Mm-hmm.
I certainly haven't played these two.
Unless I can just say the password for the for the things.
Oh, and I can get it. Well, I've got a copy right here. If that's all right, I'm just going to run them off. Oh, they're double-sided, but that's fine. Let's see. Copy. Sorry, I got this off. Here. We can get it this one. Yeah. Okay. So, do you have etudes, like the books?
No.
Okay. Did we get you into Rhode yet?
No.
Okay. You have Kreutzer.
Yeah, I have Kreutzer.
Okay. Where do we leave off?
I don't have the book with me. I think it was 17.
Okay. Trill studies. Okay. I don't think I have mine near you. Maybe I do. Got one once. No, I haven't got it here.
I don't know. Let's see.
Well, I can't tell you too much about the music. So bring that next time.
Yeah.
And then you want to just remember this a little bit?
Yeah.
Then, yeah, okay. Okay, good. So when you practice this, what kind of speed and contact point are you going to want for the E string notes and the A string notes.
Close to the bridge.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, and then what's the proportion of weight between the E string and then when you get on the G string?
Proportion?
Yeah, I mean, is there a difference in the weight and the speed that you can use?
Or E string is a bit heavier.
G string's heavier?
E string.
Oh, you feel like you can play harder on the E string? Okay. Okay. In theory, your G string will take more weight because it's a thicker string. Right now, the E string is sounding better. It's sounding clearer. So maybe that has to do with like contact points and, I don't know, speeds. So try, if you're a little closer to the bridge, you can sink in more there. The trill is messing up a little bit, but yeah, if you don't trill, you can, yeah, that's it. That's nice. Nice. Good. So just experiment with that because they're different. Different strings are different. You can generally be closest to the E, to the bridge on the E, but if you're using a lot of speed, then you can't be right by the bridge, right? Okay. Should we go on? Okay. So you're going to shift right here, right on the new phrase. Yeah, okay. Good. Let's practice just the left hand, maybe air bow and left hand to practice the vibrato that you want to keep going through this passage. You don't want to let the vibrato stop. Very soft and balanced fingertips. Let them rock and roll. That looks good. That looks really good. That looks good. Let's try with the bow. Okay, let's do an intermediate. I'm going to do the bow for a second, okay? Probably won't work, but I want you to have the feeling of keeping the vibrato ready and hear it. That's my fault. Okay, how did it feel? Is it easier?
Yeah, just relax.
That's good. That's a little more continuous. Good. Soft thumb. Good, Braden. That's about the best I've seen you do lately. That's about the best continuous vibrato. That's really good. Okay, so that was an interesting way to practice it, wasn't it? To kind of separate the hands. But it's good to practice your vibrato playing just left hand. Okay, let's go on a little. Good. Okay, the only thing is after you hit that note so well, your bow drifted away towards the fingerboard. Yeah, that's better. That's it. Okay, very good. When you have the trill, I thought it gets a little bit low. You want to try to keep a good lifting height. Yeah, try to keep it maybe close to one fingernail bed to the next finger, almost a centimeter. Yeah, so even if it's slower, try to do it a little higher and slower. Yeah. Yeah, it's fast enough. Good. Okay, let's talk about bow distribution in those 8/8 notes. The first one is easy to use a lot of bow. Then you've got half a bow, and then they're all separate. Let's see if we can make it gradually more bow speed. Yeah, you did it. Yeah, you did it. Before I was losing a little bit in the slurs, and then these were sticking out, and now you made a line. Let's do it one more time. Nice. That was good, but don't forget vibrate. And then a sudden drop over da yada. Yeah, that helps. Does that feel all right? Okay. Let's see. Are we down to 5 minutes or so? Let's prioritize. I don't think we have to do this. Let's do this, and then the end part. So. But it doesn't say to shift down. Maybe you stay in third. Yeah. Okay. So you have contrasting articulations and dynamics. For the forte one, you have the little lines, which can indicate different things to different people. Pianists maybe see them differently than string players. I think there's a little bit of a push. I think it's a bow speed push. So they're long, but maybe a little excitement at the beginning. Yeah. Okay. How about soften the push by 20%? Well, no. You softened it a lot. Keep it forte. But what I meant was the difference in speed. Only a little difference in speed. Yeah. Okay. Now can you sing through it? So vibrate through it as well. It sounds a little weak. Can you be closer to the bridge or middle? Okay. Now it's almost equal. It's not sustained quite as much. And you have a contrast, it's only one dynamic difference, but you can probably exaggerate the difference. You know what I mean? So the mezzo forte is kind of a quiet mezzo forte. Can you just try? Okay, that's getting better. Sorry, I played wrong notes and then you repeated them. And then we have light, fast up bow. Good. And then try to stay. Okay. So you understand or you have a plan for practicing that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's do the end. Maybe from da 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 D. D sharp. Sorry. From earlier in the bar, you have sharps.
Oh.
But separate. Da 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 da. But it's C natural, so yeah. Okay, so I'm just curious, what's your theory of how we're going to get this in tune? Because it is hard because the finger patterns are different. I mean, that was good because you slowed down. What do you think happens with your finger patterns when you do it correctly? What do you think is going to happen as you're shifting?
And the half step is gonna like move up your fingers.
Right, you're going to change like silently right before. So your fingers are all over their spots. Right, your one went back. Good. That was it. That was it. And it's partly from familiarity and softness and just anticipation. Yeah. Good. I just wanted to talk through that because it is a little tricky. Anticipate patterns, finger patterns. Okay. Okay, and then let's see. We got a minute. Let's do T-Dud. How about we didn't get that far from here. F natural. G string. Good. I think that was just trying to remember all the shifts and everything. Okay. Try to even vibrate the pickups. So it never goes dead. Because you're slowing down so much, this can be a little slower and you can vibrate it. Yeah. That's it. Okay, good. So that'll help you remember a little bit. You practice that.
Mm-hmm.
We'll get to the other all-state orchestra selections, and we'll get to etudes. I feel like I need to give you like 6 etudes to do over the break. Except you guys are going on a trip. You won't be able to do them, right?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I don't remember.
Okay, it's not important to me. I just
Yeah.
probably won't be able to practice, so. Do you know you'll be back?
It's before New Year's, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, okay, that's pretty early. You think your dad is there? Does he usually come back?